If you're looking for a good sealant or general repair compound to stop leaks, this stuff is amazing. Flextra by Malco. I have used this for so many things. It's unbelievable. But if you've ever seen the bond that this has, or just how good it stays after time, you'll see why it's so good for this. So this stuff, they claim, and I totally believe the claim, they say that it's thermoplastic rubber sealant, and they say that it has a stretch factor of 1400%. And I do believe that, because when you have this on as a caulking or in place somewhere and you're trying to remove a bead and you get one end and you start pulling, it stretches and goes back. It's incredible. Anyway, I just used this to repair my waders. It's like a rubber boot. They're hip waders, and there's a split there, so I just put a coating on that. When using it, you have to make sure, especially if the tube's been open before, pull out all the old stuff, make sure you're in the real gooey stuff, and you have to use it immediately because it skins over very quickly. So when you're trying to seal something like this, you want to put it on real quick and then spread it as you want it and let it cure. And it's like putting on real rubber. I'm very impressed with this stuff. Used it for all kinds of things now. But anyway, if you find that useful, please like and subscribe.